Okay, so today we are going to learn how to make the front and back tires for the model car. The process is the same, just the numbers are different. So we're going to pull up the technical drawing here, and we have a couple things. Number one is an isometric view. This is what it should look like in 3D when you're done. We have a front view here, so if we look straight on at this ISO view, this is what we would see. And from the top, with our headline showing us what's going on with this cavity here and the hole going through the tire. Okay. So we're going to use all this information. We're going to start out just by making the hole in the middle, since that goes all the way through, and we're going to also make the outside diameter of the tire, and we'll extrude it to the thickness, which is 0.5. So make sure we're using the numbers that are presented to us to inform us on how to make this. So I'll take my circle command and make a 0.25 circle, and we're zoomed out here. Then we'll make a 0.175 circle, and what do you know? We've got a 2D tire going. If we hit our extrude command after finishing our sketch, we want to select our tire area here. And once again, remember our worksheet in that top view told us the thickness of the tire is 0.5. So we're going to extrude 0.5, hit OK, and we're halfway done. I'm also going to start another 2D sketch on this face. It could be the front or the back face, doesn't matter why, or which. And why I'm doing that is because we still have to get this cavity out of here. We've got to cut that portion out. So if I look down at my front view again, I'll notice that that opening there is 0.75 in diameter. And don't forget to look at the thickness, how deep it recedes into the tire. The hidden lines tell us, with this dimension, it's a 0.125 cavity. So we're going to extrude cut 0.125 with a 0.75 inch circle. Let's do that now. Take your circle command and make a 0.75 circle. Finish the sketch. Hit extrude one more time. And instead of adding material, remember we do want to switch over to cut. That's the middle of these three options here. So I'll switch to cut. Right now it's showing the preview cutting all the way through the tire. We don't want that. We want to switch to 0.125. You click OK. We now have our tire done. Now it looks like the worksheet. The last thing that we need to do, and this is for the grade, is you need to add some fillets. Fillets, what it does is it simply takes a 90-degree surface and it rounds it over. The larger your number for the radius, the more it will be rounded. The smaller the number for your radius, the less it will be rounded. Let's take a look. I'm going to keep it at 0.125. And I'm going to start rounding some of my corners here. Okay. And when I hit apply, it's just almost like it sanded those 90-degree corners off. Now they're nice, rounded. It looks more like a tire, less like something that the Flintstones would drive around. Okay. So, this is your tire. Make sure and put fillets on it. You can do the same process for the front and back tire, and I hope you're able to do the axle. It's simply a 0.25 inch diameter circle, extruded 4.5 inches. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.